I'm talking about how to change your air filter. You smell me, man? This is a key investment on your car it's a must, man, that you want to have a good air filter, man. So what you're going to want to get rid of is this thing right here, man. The stock air filter. Still in pretty good condition. I can still use it. I'm going to keep it for emergencies. I'm going to keep that for an emergency. This K&N air filter is about 80 bucks. Like I said, it's an investment for your car, your truck, your vehicle, man. It's reusable. You can wash it, clean it. So, yeah, get you one of these, man. K&N air filters, man. I would. Anywho, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start by taking this off, man. You see this little thing right here? You're gonna boop, pop that open right there. Boop. Once you got that off, this plastic piece pop out. This air filter will be inside that. You could just pull it out once you got that plastic piece off. Set that to the side. Remember, you want to keep your old air filter, man, for emergencies. Then, once you got this plastic piece off right here, you dig, man. You're going to get you a sharp object, like a knife or something. Make you a good size opening right here for the airflow. This way, your air filter be able to suck in more, the engine be able to suck in more air through this air filter. And that's what you want to give you your vehicle that extra power, especially on acceleration. And man, it works. I guarantee you'll feel it. So yeah, once you got that nice size hole up in there, you put your K&N air filter up in there, slide up in there. Make sure you got the right size for your vehicle, because if not, it won't fit. So make sure you got the right size air filter for your vehicle. You know, just check, make sure it's the right size. They come in all different sizes for all different vehicles, so I'm pretty sure they have it for yours. So once you got that, you slide it up in there, put the plastic piece, make sure the plastic is tightened,